Moko kuom MCAs ma Nairobi okoni gidhi nyime kod choko sei mag thicho Gavana ma Nairobi Sakaja. MCAs goramo ni onge ng'ama biro mino lwetgi mondo giwe chenro mar thiche oko. Gikwede weche moko ni jomoko man kod dwaro moponde matemo chorogi mondo mi githich gavana. Bende ne gitielo ni nyaka sani gisechoko sei 60 kata kamano gigeto choko sei maromo 100 kapok gichako twak ma thicho Sakaja oko.
Enough is enough. Sisi hatutabeba mzigo ya mtu, kila mtu apambane na hali yake, and that's why we are ready to impeach the governor of Nairobi, Sakaja, His Excellency Ada Sakaja. And why we are doing this, it is not about us. It's not about our interest. It's about the interest of the people of Nairobi.
The leadership will sign as MCAs. Everybody is going to sign this impeachment process or impeachment motion as MCA. We are not targeting any individual. We are targeting the person who was elected to the most powerful seat in the county, Arthur Johnson Sakaja, and we ask that Nairobians, in this process, we ensure that we don't drop the ball.